Moin moin! One of my subscribers asked me to explain how to write good prompts for AI assistants, and to be honest, this question is not as simple as it looks, because the honest answer would be, I don't know. And no one knows. Models are evolving so fast, so all these prompting guides become outdated quite quickly. And also all modern AI assistants are already on this level of intelligence where you can just write whatever you want, and the model will most likely understand you. But I know this confusion, and I know that it's hard to just sit in front of blank page trying to figure out where should I start with my prompt. So today I will share with you my method, how I write prompts for language learning. I have some specific rule that I follow, and I will share this with you along with some examples. Everything will be available via link in the description, but I recommend you to watch this video until the end because I will reveal some small tricks that will help you to configure your prompts better. Let's go. So as I said, it doesn't really matter how you will structure your prompt. ChatGPT most likely will understand you. But I always follow my method that I call RTR, Role, Task, Rules. So basically all of my prompts that I'm using for language learning consist of three main parts. Role. We need to explain AI assistant how it should behave. Previously we had this idea that we can say like act like an expert in some specific field, like you have some degree, but recent research has confirmed that it doesn't really affect how smart model is. So with this role part, we more define the way how it will answer and little bit narrow context. The second one is task. Of course, we need to explain model what kind of exercise we want to do. I don't have any master language coach prompt for ChatGPT. I usually create separate prompts for different exercises when I want to work on some specific topic. I choose exercise and I configure prompt specifically for this exercise. And the third one is rules, so the set of instructions how AI assistant should behave in this specific task. Don't forget that this is just a template that you can adjust for yourself, but for me this one works quite well. And now I will show you how I use this RTR method to create prompts for some specific exercises. We will start with probably my favorite exercise, error correction trainer. I want ChatGPT to act as my error correction trainer for language. In my case, it will be German. In your case, it can be any kind of language. And also, I like to describe my level right there in the role to a little bit limit ChatGPT so it wouldn't use too complex words. And then I describe a task. I tell it to give me sentences with realistic learner mistakes on some specific topic. This topic can be some grammatical topic, or it can be some topic, I don't know, traveling or work. And in the end, we describe rules. I asked it to provide me some amount of flawed sentences. Usually I don't go above 15. Most likely I would stop on like 5 to 10. Then I explained that I will rewrite them correctly, and ChatGPT will need to show me the correct versions. Usually after these 10 sentences, it's quite obvious where is my biggest problem, and I asked ChatGPT to give me a little bit more sentences on this specific topic. Let's see how it works. I paste my template here and I write here trainer for German, level A2. And then we need to define topic. I want to talk about traveling. Then I will reduce the amount of sentences to 3 and new sentences to 2. And let's see how it works. Now I have 3 sentences, and ideally I need to write correct versions of 3 of them, but I will just use the first one, and now I will just send this sentence. And even though I send just one sentence, ChatGPT will understand what to do now and how to adapt to still follow my instructions. Everything was right. There are some recommendations, there are some rules, and it asked me to finish the second and the third sentence as well. So my second template for the second exercise is writing coach. So let's just copy it. And again, first of all, I define the role. I say it's my writing coach in German, level A2. Then I ask it to help me to write email about my travel plans in 100 words. And the beauty of this exercise and this template that I don't need to start from scratch. Usually for me it's a big problem, even if I know that I want to write email about traveling 100 words. I still don't really know where to start and what phrases to use. So I usually need some tiny push. And here in this prompt, I ask ChatGPT that before I write, give me 3-5 bullet outline plus 8 useful phrases. And then after I submit the text, I ask it to correct, provide me explanation of my errors, and some advices how I can improve this text. Now I send it. And here I have email structure that I can use in my email, and also 8 useful phrases from my language level that I can also include in text. And now I have something to start with, so I will write this email, send it to ChatGPT, and it will provide me a feedback. Usually ChatGPT and other AI assistants works the best on some specific task, or in this case on some specific type of exercise, but sometimes you can also use it for more broader language learning sessions. For example, when I don't know what I want to do, I use this prompt. I call it mix routine. I will just copy it now to ChatGPT. And here again, we define role just as some language coach. And then we run 10-minute interactive routine on some specific topic, for example, traveling. And after I describe the structure of this lesson or of this exercise, I want to start with some warm-up speaking question, then mini vocabulary section, a bit of a grammar, and some writing in the end. And I can specify some grammar topic here, for example, adjective endings. And usually I also provide the level of corrections. For example, I want detailed and after each step. Or you can just have some short summary after the whole exercise. Now we send it. And here we go. We start with short warm-up. And I need to answer the question where I recently traveled or where I want to travel. Let me write a short answer. I wrote that I want to travel to Köln. And now, because I asked for a feedback after each step, it will send me back more details and some grammatic. And after that, we go to the second step and our short vocabulary section. So as you can see, we can apply this RTR method for a huge variety of different exercises. Please share in the comments with your ideas. I think right now I have around 10 different exercises that I'm doing with ChatGPT, but let's create together a library of prompts that we all can use, and then I will create one big document that I will share with everyone. Thank you very much. Please also consider to watch this video as well here. Just click here. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you later.